Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change the theme for your Bitget wallet. Now let us begin. Well, as you guys can see, I have already installed the Bitget Wallet extension for Chrome. Right now, let's say I want to change the theme because the light mode is quite bright. Well, it is quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on the bottom right section, that is Discover. Click on it. And that's it. From here you can change the language, currency, and the thing we are looking for, the display mode. Click on it and that is it. Currently it is in the system. For now, permanently I want to set it to the dark mode. So I'm simply gonna click on the dark mode right here. And guys, that is it. That's how we change the theme for Bitget Wallet. Do note that you can also enable dark mode on Bitget in your mobile device as well. Well guys, that is it. That's how you change the theme for Bitget Wallet. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.